What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications won't go away on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle and release your finger when it gets green. Now after restarting your phone, the voicemail notifications issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after restarting, then tap and hold on the phone app. Tap on this information icon and then go to the storage of the phone app. Now here you will see a option of clear data. So clear the cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on this option and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory it will fix the voicemail notifications issue. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notifications won't go away issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.